Hello, Osprey. Welcome to this tutorial on accessing your statement of account. To get started, you will need your GoPortal username and password. From stockton.edu, let's navigate to your GoPortal by clicking Go at the top of your screen. Next, we're going to click Login to Go Stockton Portal. Please log in. Welcome to your GoPortal. Now we're going to navigate to the Bursar page. Please click Bursar at the top of your screen. In the middle of the screen, under My Account, we will click on the red Statement of Account button. For security purposes, when you click on this box, be prepared to log in again with your GoPortal credentials. This is for authentication. On this page, you can view your account activity by term, with the option to either print, save in an Excel, or as a PDF. If you would like to save and print, we're going to click on the term. Notice up top the buttons Print, Excel, PDF. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to do a PDF. Notice that the document appeared at the bottom of my screen. This might not be the case for you, depending on your computer. We're going to double click on the document. Then we're going to click this arrow down. This will give us the ability to save the file. Please do so as you wish. When you're all done saving or printing with this printer button here, you can X out of the tab. Another cool feature within this is your payment history. We're going to click on My Account on the top left. Then we're going to click Payment History. You have the option to either view your full payment history or specify via a date range. Make your selection and then click View Report. You can now click Print, and this file will be able to print to your printer of preference. If you have any questions about accessing your statement of account, please contact the Bursar's office at 609-652-4597 or through your Stockton email to bursar@stockton.edu. That is BURSAR@stockton.edu. Please ensure you include your ZID. Thanks for watching, and go Ospreys!